Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox this PS Audio Stella M700 monoblocks and Stella Gains DAC and preamplifier. So it comes in individual boxes, a double box. So this is the main packaging. It has the regular corrugated brown box up on top of this box. So it came in this kind of a pristine condition in this white box. So let's get it started. So I'm a bit excited because I've been trying many Class D amplifier in the past, and nothing really works for me. So I'm gonna try this one, see how it goes. So it says, "Welcome to PS Audio family." This guy must be the designer of the Stella Gains digital to analog converter, and then comes with the letter from PS Audio. So this is the packing list, and then this is owner's manual of the Stella M700 mono amplifiers, and comes with PS Audio stickers, and this is the power code. Let's put these back. So this is M100 monoblocks. The insulation footers are just regular rubber footers. It looks pretty cheap. It looks screw-on types. And this is the air vent. And then I can see the gain saw in there. So it's aluminum housing, the screw-on. So it's like this kind of housing, the sandwich on the chassis. Air vents on this side as well, and this side as well. So, and then at the bottom, on the front end of the amp, and at the top is the rear end of the amp. It seems pretty good quality built, very solid chassis. Let's get another one out. So this is the two M100s. So let's get this main guy. Gains preamplifier and digital to analog converter. So one of this side retainer is broken and not in here. It should be like this. Oh, probably they cut it out because of the volume control knob. Okay, I got it. So there's the stack. So this is a remote control, very nice and small size. And then it has all the selection that you can change. Dim, filter. So input is like a little calculator. Is it right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a mute button, volume up. So I don't know about the right arrow, so I have to find out. Turn on is on the top, then off is on the left hand side of the remote control. That's the remote control. Let's do a little bit of closer shots. So this is the stack. Let's set it up. For now, I'm gonna be trying to break them in with the audio quest cable. And then I'm gonna listen to it, and then I'm gonna use my XLR cables. So I'm gonna try a few different cables. Only thing that I cannot test it out is this one doesn't have any phono stage, but I can test out the digital to analog converter. So this is the back of the unit. Binding post looks very nice. Power input, it says do not plug in, or do not plug in while the power is on. Yeah, that's a problem with all the Class D amps. That's the back of the digital to analog converter. Nicely laid out and well spread out inputs. So two outputs are at the middle, digital inputs are at the left side of the chassis, and analog inputs are right side of the chassis. And the amplifier, the inputs, all the inputs are on the right side, and then the trigger. Oh, there's a trigger input, but I don't see any trigger wires, so probably they don't supply with this combination. So all the cables are connected. Right now I'm using AudioQuest King Cobra from Stella Gain Cell Digital Analog Converter and Preamp 2. This M700 power amp. And I'm using another AudioQuest cable from SACD Player 2, the Gain Cell DAC. Let's turn it on. There you go. It says coaxial number 2. It's very smooth and it has a little resistance in the knob, and this is like a powder coated aluminum or something. It has some sort of a little rough feeling when you touch it. So this volume control knob make a little very soft ticking sound when you turn it. As you can see, probably you will not be able to hear it. If I turn all the way to 0, it automatically goes into mute. One thing I like about this one is this one also works as the power switch. There you go, it's off. Let's turn it back on. That's a very neat feature. I like it. Let's turn the power amplifier on. It makes a click noise. The blue PS audio light is blinking. Now it's stable. Alright, let's get to another one. Now it's ready. Right, that's it. That was a quick unboxing video. I'm going to break them in. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be using different cables. So eventually I'm going to switch to XLR balance cables on altogether from SACD player to preamp to power amp. Is going to be all XLR cables. And then for the digital to analog converter from SACD player, I'm going to also try this coaxial cable. This is made by what is it called? Audio Technica. This is Alt-Link coaxial cables. This one is my favorite coaxial cable. And then this is also Audio Technica USB cables. So I'm gonna try this as well. So after all the cables, I'm gonna be also connecting this optical cable. So this cable is not regular optical cable. This is rear glass optical cable made by Mitsubishi Electronics. So I will be uploading my sound demos and review video of this units in next few weeks. So thank you for watching. Happy listening. This is just a little bit of a quick out of the box impression.